morning, everyone. Welcome to the digital classroom with Holy Heart Schools. Today, we are going to discuss chapter Women of Substance. It is very well said for all the women out there that be a woman of substance, be a real woman. It is difficult to break down a real woman because she will learn from her mistakes, gather her strength from her struggle, and overcome the obstacles courageously. Today, in this chapter, we are going to talk about all those ladies, those who have proved themselves in their life. So, let's start with Lady Diana, the Princess of Wales. She was born on 1st July 1961. She was a member of British royal family. She was the first wife of Prince Charles of Wales and the heir apparent to the British throne. She is the mother of Prince William and Prince Harry. Diana's activism and glamour made her an international icon and earned her an enduring popularity. Next we have Susanna Arundhati Roy. She was born on 24th November 1961. She is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things. This book also won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997. She is also a political activist involved in human rights and environmental causes. Next we have Margaret Mead. She was born on December 16, 1901. She was an American cultural anthropologist. Anthropologist is a person who studies about the evolution of human beings, who featured frequently as an author and speaker in mass media during 1960s and 70s. She earned her bachelor's degree at Barnard College in New York. She also served as president of the American Association for the Advancement of Sciences in 1975. Next women of substance includes Sheryl Kara Sandberg. She is the chief operating officer of Facebook and she is also the founder of Lenin.org. She was elected to the Facebook board of directors in June 2012. She is the first woman to serve on its board. Before she joined Facebook as COO, she was Vice President of Global Online Sales and Operations at Google. Before that, she also served as a Chief of Staff for the United States Secretary of Treasury. Next we have Frida Kahlo. She is a survivor of childhood polio and started painting as an escape from her pain. She was a Mexican painter known for her many portraits, self-portrait and work inspired by the nature. She is inspired by the country's popular culture. She also employed a native folk art style to explore questions of identity, gender, class and race in the Mexican society. Next we have Angela Merkel. She was born on 17 July 1954. She is a German politician who has been the Chancellor of Germany since 2005. She served as a leader of Christian Democratic Union from 2000 to 2018. She has been widely described as de facto, means in fact leader of the European Union, the most powerful woman in the world, and by some commentators as a leader of free world. Next we have Danica Patrick. She set several records for women race car drivers, including becoming the first woman to lead the Indy 500 and first to win the pole position at Daytona 500. She is an American former professional racing driver. She is the most successful woman in the history of American open wheel racing. Her victory in 2008 Indy Japan 300 is the only win by women in the IndyCar series race. And at last we have Anousheh Ansari. She was born on September 12, 1966. She is an Iranian American engineer and co-founder and the chairwoman of the Perodea system. Her previous business accomplishment includes serving as a co-founder and CEO of Telecom Technologies. On her 40th birthday, she became the first Iranian and first female Muslim in space. Ansari was the fourth overall self-funded space tourist and the first self-funded woman to fly to the International Space Station. So students, we have discussed about every woman of substance given in this chapter. Please try to solve the related questions with the help of this video. Thank you.